Welcome guys to a new YouTube video where we are chatting and going to the gym. So we are actually doing the same thing as I always do. I'm sorry I have been a little bit slow on the gym and a little bit slow on the things that I'm supposed to be doing. And it's like, you know, sometimes you don't feel like doing those things, you still do it. Sometimes you say to yourself that you need a rest. And yeah, I took like a short break from the gym of 2 days. So but yeah, I mean, it is what it is. You know, sometimes you're just lazy, and being lazy is not good. But we're here. There's some fireworks, to be honest, right now. Didn't see them until now, so I might be able to actually show it to the video. Ooh. So yeah, I've been really kind of lazy, and for you, if you're watching this video and you feel like that sometimes, it is completely normal. It is completely normal that if you're working really hard towards a lot of things, sometimes you're not gonna feel like doing that. You know, you're a human and you're allowed to think that way. You know, sometimes you're just not gonna feel it, like, for real. Sometimes I feel like working out, working in this, working in that, working in my house, cleaning, doing this, doing that, you know. And some other days I'm like, you know, I don't want to do nothing, like, for real. Some days I don't want to do nothing. I just want to, like, chill, maybe play some video games, maybe just rest, sleep in bed, and that's it. You know, talk to my girl and this, nothing else. And what the difference is between the people that are trying to do great, trying to be great, is that yes, you might take that day off, but then you come back stronger. You know, you don't let those thoughts and those things be with you a lot of time. You know, and you work out and you do this and you get to work, you do all the things you're supposed to. So yeah, we are working out today. We are hitting chest today. I'm gonna try to do a lot of reps. I might not do a lot of weight, but I'm going to do a lot of reps and a lot of reps and a lot of reps, and try to do the best reps that I can possibly do. I'm actually excited because I am in my trip that I'm going to Dominican Republic next month. I'm actually having my vacations and I'm working on my teeth. So I'm like doing a cleaning, I'm taking my 4 wisdom teeth out in the same day, I believe. If I'm not able to, I might take 2, and then I take other 2 in another time. But right now my teeth are getting like out of control. It's really bad, and when I say really bad, it is really bad. So right now I need to work on that. So I'll be doing that on this trip that I'll be doing. So I might take more days to be able to come here, because I'm cleaning my face too. Then I am going to a spa, going to the beach, having some vacations with the friends, and then after that I'm going to do that. So I might have to take a couple more days. I might have to do 2 weeks instead of 1. The only thing is money. I'm running out of money. I have been doing a lot of things, a lot of investments, and a lot of things that I'm doing in my room for the noise and for this and for that. So we'll see how that goes. So yeah, I'm gonna have to not get some things that I was going to get, and save some money to be able to make it happen. So yeah. All right, I finished work already. I ended work at 2 o'clock. It was a good day, to be honest. It was kind of busy. It was busy and stuff, but it was fine, you know. Hold on. It was fine. Okay, but now, you know, tomorrow I'm off, which is really cool. I'm going to church. If you're not going to church, you just go ahead and do it. Church changed your life, and it actually really good. Praising God, reading the Bible, doing all those things help you in a lot of ways. So yeah, tomorrow I have to cook and prepare some food and go to church. Then I really gotta clean some stuff in my room, clean some stuff in the house, cook, get some videos ready, record a lot of videos, edit those videos, and then maybe chill with my friend. So yep. All right. So we're chilling today. I'm gonna not going to run fast. I need to put gas on. Maybe Tuesday on Wednesday. I don't want to put gas right now. Maybe I have to put gas tomorrow so it's full of gas and I don't have to like worry about it in the week. I don't think it's gonna have another week on the tank. I don't think it's gonna last that much. Got 125 miles left, so. Smells like food over here. This zone over here, probably they're doing some type of something. I guess the gym is empty. It's 9:49 on a Saturday. I don't think people are at 9:45 on a Saturday, 49 on a Saturday, so in the gym. Well, I am, so we'll see if I find people in there. I hope it's empty. There's people playing golf. I received a comment of someone saying that they wanted more content of this type, driving, which that made me really happy. I never thought it was gonna be that good. A lot of people, what does he that doesn't have his lights on? That's crazy. On a black car. What the fuck? He's getting pulled over, that's for sure. So yeah, I didn't know this content was gonna be good because a lot of people does like this type of videos, but they do like them in like nice cars, like sports cars, stuff like that, which I don't have yet. But yeah, someone told me in the comments that they want more of this content, and I have actually received a lot of views from this content. And I don't even actually do the marketing on this content. I don't actually even do clips from this content, which actually I should be doing. But it's a BMW, I think. No, that's a Hyundai. All right, right here. Looks like a gym. Hospitalist group. Oh, the things, something related to helping people. Let me see. Yep, it is empty. One person in here. Hope it's not a woman. It's one person I think is leaving already. Like lights are on. Nah, working out. All right, see you guys. I'm gonna work out here. Let me just park over here. All right. Oh, it was a nice workout. We hit chest. We did 4 different exercises. Pretty much working out until failure. It was pretty good. Not going to lie to you. Of course, not feeling strong as I want, but you know, I'm feeling pretty good. So, all right, 11:07, going home now. I'm gonna try to chill with my friend tonight. Going to try to chill on the PC, try to play some video games. I might stream a little bit too. I feel like chilling tonight. Let me check. Yeah, everything looks really good tonight. Going home. This is gonna be a late night POV drive. Hearing something, I don't know if it's in my car or what, to be honest. Damn. There's a Camaro. This car, probably just having some fun, huh? Whew. Pretty good workout. I actually posed a little bit, and my physique looked kind of cool tonight. I don't know why, but I felt pretty good with my physique tonight. I don't know. My muscles were kind of contracted, let's say. They feel pretty good. All right, let me see if I can go on this one right here. Yeah, going on this one. I'm actually preparing myself for all the things that I'm gonna have to do when school starts back and my girls comes back and stuff. We'll see how that goes. I'm gonna actually go and check a company that I used to work for. I just want to see if they're actually working right now, because sometimes they work even though it's this time, just because of it was events and weddings and stuff like that. So I'm gonna check to see if they are there. I haven't seen them in like a while, and they were really good college people that I used to work with. So let me see if they are or not. I really do enjoy these drives late night, where I can drive and see the night dark, stuff like that. Yeah, no, they're not there. I used to work there. Yeah, they're not there. I have so many memories from when I got here to the United States. A lot of jobs that I did, a lot of people that I met, a lot of places that I went, and sometimes you miss that. Like, it's like, you know, you can be, even though making a lot of more money now, consistent and having more connections and kind of like new cool stuff like content creation that I'm doing, but sometimes you actually remember those times. You remember those times where you had some fun, when you were driving trucks, when you were helping people, you know, to those old jobs that I used to do, and it was great. It was great, not gonna lie. But yeah, so yeah, we'll see how it goes. I don't know why this is not changing to green. To be honest, I don't know. I'm actually right. Almost got home to chill for a minute. I got a trouble with my fridge. It's not the water is not working on the fridge, so I'm gonna see if I can find a solution. I mean, I do have more water on bottles, but my roommate just texted me, so we'll see if I can find a solution of that. See you guys, I'm home already, so let me get to work in some stuff, and I'll see you guys in the next video.